Clear cache on Kwai. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, I'll show how to clear Kwai's cache if it's lagging. If videos aren't loading right, you can do a cache cleanup to see if it helps. But first, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. I always make various tutorials here to make things easier for you. There are more Kwai videos on the channel. If you have questions or curiosities, I'll leave a playlist in the card that might help you out. In this video, we'll clean the cache if your Kwai is lagging badly. You can do a cache cleanup to see if it fixes it. Let's go, guys. Just open the Kwai app and click on Profile at the bottom. Once in your profile, click on the three dots up here on these three dots and click on Settings and Settings. Scroll down and click on Clear Cache. Just click on Clear Cache. That's it, cache cleared. If it solved your issue, comment below. Subscribe for more tutorials. I'm signing off. Big hug. God bless.